Hey guys, this is a review of the Airman ResQ Pilot Tire Mobility Kit. So what this is, it's a tire repair kit which you can use if you have a flat tire. So I bought a used car which didn't have a spare tire, and it didn't either have a repair kit in it, so I bought one. Actually, I was intending to buy the Airman ResQ tire repair kit, but this pilot model didn't realize that it's a smaller model which is intended for small cars and motorcycles. So what I would recommend is getting the Airman ResQ without the pilot word. That should be a larger one. This one has a 300 milliliter tire sealant, and that other one has 450 milliliters. So I think for most cases that other set would be a better fit. This Airman ResQ Pilot, I think I paid like 29 euros for it. The larger set would be at Amazon in Germany around 38 euros at the moment. I bought this one from Amazon Germany as well. So let's do an unboxing and see what the package contains. It looks like it would have a cardboard box inside, but it actually is just a cardboard cover. It has a mini compressor. It has the tire sealant and a manual and some nozzles. So I think these are like nozzles for if you would like to use the compressor for some filling a bike tire or maybe a football or something like that. So in the larger set you would get a more powerful compressor. Well, it would still be a mini compressor, so this one is 120 watts, the output. Maybe the large one is 160. Most likely this won't be an issue, but I guess the larger tire sealant would be better with larger tires, so I guess that's what's the biggest difference in the larger set. Maybe the compressor, you have more power, so it takes a bit shorter to fill the tire. But well, by no means this would be a replacement for a spare tire, since the manual quite clearly says that the repair will only work if the damage on the tire is in the kind of flat area, and if you have damage on the sides, it won't help anything. And if it's larger than 6 millimeters, it won't help, or if it's a blowout, it won't help anything. So just keep that in mind if you try to actually use it to repair a tire. And anyhow, it's a not a permanent repair; it's a temporary repair, and it also says here that you should fill the tire first to the desired pressure, and then you should drive like 5 kilometers with it and check the pressure. And if it has leaked, fill it up again, then drive another 5 kilometers and check the pressure. If it's still leaking, then you shouldn't drive with it at all. And well, if it did keep the pressure, then it's not recommended to drive over 200 kilometers with it. So you need to repair it in any case very soon, and you're limited to 80 kilometers per hour. So kind of wouldn't use this in any other case except if it's taking too long to get a tow truck, or you need to quickly continue or something like that. But in most cases, if you have the time you can get a tow truck, and maybe your insurance will cover the towing of the car, so it might make more sense to just get a tow truck. But if you have a place for a spare tire in your car, I think that's absolutely the better option. But yeah, that's pretty much what's in the box. One more thing to keep in mind is that the expiry date on these is usually, the shelf life is around 5 years. So this one is expiring in December 2025. But yeah, you can get replacements for, I don't know, like 13 euros, 15 euros or something like that. And yeah, if you are interested in a test video for the compressor, I will leave a link somewhere here and below in the description once I have actually tried the compressor out. I won't try the tire sealant because I don't have any broken tires, but I will see if the compressor actually works. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.